students, how are you and how's your study going on? I hope that you all will be preparing for your future examination very well at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to teach you another important topic of our writing section named speech writing. Students, we usually declare or give a speech in our school assembly or some other functions. So, how we have to write the speech writing? Let's come and learn some important points. Let's start with our topic. Speech writing. A speech is a formal task that a person delivers to his audience. It must have the capacity to hold the attention of the audience with the proper choice of words, expressions, and examples. Remember who you are writing the speech for. Look, who are your audience is. Who your audience is and what your speech is going to be about. It means its topic and the main points in order of importance. Remember that in front of whom you are going to, it means with what kind of audience would be there. Then some value points I have collected here for good speech writing. First, greet your audience and introduce the topic you are speaking on. Firstly, do the greeting like good morning, hello, how, and then introduce the topic. The introduction part of the speech is the most important part. This part indicates the impact of speech. Then, don't give a separate title for the speech. There is no need of title in the speech. Then, keep in mind, as already stated, the occasion of the speech and the nature of the audience also. Like you are speaking in front of the audience who knew only Hindi language and you are speaking in English, they would not be understood. They would not be able to understand what you are speaking. So you have to be careful about the nature of audience. The introduction should not be very lengthy. The main topic should be taken up as quickly as possible because the introduction always lead to the topic, not any other way. Use concrete terms and tangible examples, okay, which you have already used in your life or which you have seen. Use only that terms. Avoid abstract phrases which are quite vague, okay. Abstract phrases could not be used. Use simple and familiar language. And the conclusion plays a very important role in the success of a speech. Give your own conclusion on the topic in a telling manner. Write thank you at the end of your speech also. Now student, I have written one sample speech here. Nowadays, just about everyone owns a cell phone. But most of the users do not follow even the basic rules of cell phone conduct. They are seen speaking loudly, taking a phone call in the middle of a meeting or even at a funeral, etc. Write a speech in 150 to 200 words to be delivered in the assembly of your school to appraise the fellow students of cell phone etiquette. It means you have to inculcate the etiquettes of using cell phone in your fellow student. That is your main concern. So as they had told that there is no need to give the title, just start with a little introduction and then introduce yourself. Nowadays almost everyone owns a mobile phone, but many users have no knowledge of the basic rules of cell phone. On the basic rule of cell phone conduct. Good morning everyone. I, name of the person if given, then if here the name of the person is not given, then we have taken ABC, have come before you all to apprise you of cell phone etiquettes. It is actually necessary to follow a few guidelines regarding the use of cell phones. Your cell phone doesn't have to go everywhere you go. There are times when you should never answer your cell phone, especially in places of worship and funeral homes. At the very best, they should be on the vibrate mode in these places. At worship world, at funeral places. Use your quiet inside voice and do not yell into your cell phone at that time. Be courteous to others' right of not being disturbed by your megaphone range voice. In social institution where you are entertaining friends or clients, do not have long cell phone conversations, as it gives the impression that you do not value the time and presence of the person in front of you. If your phone rings while you are driving, wait till you have pulled over before you answer or return the call. Be a responsible cell phone user. Be aware of your surroundings before making or receiving a call and have respect for those around you. This will help others to appreciate your good judgment and consideration. And at last, thank you. You could also mention name here, ABC or any another name. Students, one another better understanding you can give here. A very warm morning to August assemblage assembled here. It is my prerogative to enlighten you all on the topic. Here you have to mention the name of the topic. And that was the simple line, good morning everyone. This one is for the another, if you want to make another starting with another way or different way. You could also inculcate your own ways to greet some audience. Thank you. Thanks for watching.